Hi, this is Mrs. Sobjack. I went online and I saw that lots of you have already started that Khan Academy assignment. I am proud of you for taking advantage of your learning opportunities right now. Thank you for getting online and giving that a try. It looked like some people were struggling with the multiplication and division equations that used fractions and decimals. So I'm going to pull a couple of those problems out. We're going to look at them on the board together, and I'm going to give you some strategies for solving them that's hopefully going to help get you unstuck. The first thing to remember is that you already know how to do these problems with whole numbers. Last week in class, you were doing a fantastic job solving multiplication and division equations. Don't let the fact that we're looking at some weird looking numbers right now throw you. The process for doing it with fractions and decimals is exactly the same as the process for doing it with whole numbers. You know how to do this. Here's the first equation that I'd like to take a look at. 6 equals y divided by 2. We know that we can solve equations by using inverse or opposite operations. So if our variable is divided by something, we can multiply to find our solution. In this instance, we would multiply both sides by 2. Okay. 2 times 6 gives me 12. These 2's cancel out, telling me that my answer is y is equal to 12. Okay? Let's look at that same equation, but we're going to throw some fractions in there instead of whole numbers. And I'm going to apologize in advance. I am doing this in my kitchen with an old whiteboard that I took from my toddler daughter's easel. Everything's a little bit messy and homemade right now, but I'm hoping that's okay. It is good enough to get the math done. Remember, they did math back in the days before we even had digital or online learning. It's been around for thousands of years. I am confident that we can figure this out. Oh, and here's my cat Midnight coming to say hi. Hi, Midnight. You want to say hi to the camera? Yeah. Let's get you out of here so we can do some algebra. Okay, new problem. Same idea, I just put some fractions in there. 1/4 equals y divided by 12. Well, it's still a division equation, so we can still multiply to solve. My y is divided by 12, so I can multiply both sides by 12. Okay. 12 times 1/4 might look tricky, but we've done these kind of problems before in class. Remember, we're going to set 12 over 1. That's how we show a whole number in fraction form. And to multiply fractions, all you need to do is multiply the numerators. So 12 times 1 gives me 12. And then multiply my denominators. 1 times 4 gives me 4. Okay. On this side, my 12's cancel, leaving me with a y. My answer is y equals 12/4. Now, you could put 12 over 4 into Khan Academy. It will accept it as a correct answer. But if you'd like to be a more sophisticated mathematician, let's simplify this fraction. We know that this bar means divide. So this means 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So y equals 3 would be my answer in simplest form. I hope that helps. If you tried the assignment and you got stuck on the fractions and decimals, go back in and try a couple more now. See if writing it out step by step like this helps. Good luck, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.